Hello, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? In today's video I will be showing you guys few examples of how to make positive, negative and question sentences. After finish watching this video, make sure you guys make few more sentences like this. This will help improve your capability of making sentences. So let's start. Positive sentence: I eat pasta for my lunch. I eat pasta for my lunch. Negative sentence: I don't eat pasta for my lunch. I don't eat pasta for my lunch. Question sentence: do I eat pasta for my lunch? Do I eat pasta for my lunch? I have work today. I have work today. I don't have work today. I don't have work today. Do I have work today? Do I have work today? It's very hot today. It's very hot today. It's not very hot today. It's not very hot today. Is it very hot today? Is it very hot today? I remember you. I remember you. I don't remember you. I don't remember you. Do I remember you? Do I remember you? You are writing an essay. You are writing an essay. You are not writing an essay. You are not writing an essay. Aren't you writing an essay? Aren't you writing an essay? She wakes up late in the morning. She wakes up late in the morning. She doesn't wake up late in the morning. She doesn't wake up late in the morning. Does she wake up late in the morning? Does she wake up late in the morning? They are listening to the radio. They are listening to the radio. They are not listening to the radio. They are not listening to the radio. Are they listening to the radio? Are they listening to the radio? I want to take bath now. I want to take bath now. I don't want to take bath now. I don't want to take bath now. Don't you want to take bath now? Don't you want to take bath now? My brother is at work. My brother is at work. My brother is not at work. My brother is not at work. Is my brother at work? Is my brother at work? I can speak English. I can speak English. I can't speak English. I can't speak English. Can you speak English? Can you speak English? That's all for today. Speak to you guys on my next video. Thank you, and subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Keep practicing English at home. Bye.